Okay, Josh, I'm doing this video for you quickly so you can see the functionality of the Apple Watch. Mine is the Ultra, so it's bigger than the normal one. The main difference, it's a titanium case. It's really strong. I've actually dropped it from pretty high up on tile and it was fine. There's an action button here that turns on a flashlight. This is probably the most useful function. I use it literally multiple times a day, especially at night, getting this stuff ready for the babies. So here's the time. It's really readable. It's pretty easy. So I have time, text messages, calendar for the day. Here also like temperature and stuff. So you could customize this, like the different screens. So like for when Jordan wants to play with it.
It's 10:53.
There's Mickey Mouse. You know, Buzz Lightyear. They have Disney stuff. And so you could click in and it'll show you like your notifications, your calendar, which is really useful for me because I have a lot of meetings. So you asked about cycling. So then if you go into here, there's different types of workouts you could put, and it kind of tracks you if you start like walking a lot. So outdoor cycling, indoor cycling. So you just go, you know, it'll start it. And it's kind of based on your heart rate, so it'll kind of track you. I'm sure there's other apps for it. And then you just end it. And you can kind of customize a lot of these. You go into text messages, you know, mail. So it's actually pretty useful. This isn't the normal strap. This is from my old Apple Watch. It comes with this strap right here. I find this one a lot more comfortable, and so that's why I've worn it and I don't wear this one. The Ultra comes with like 3 different kinds of straps depending on what kind of adventures you want to go on. But I think it's very useful. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful. If you have any other questions, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.